right, welcome to another episode of MelB.Bassin. It is a beautiful day. There's a little bit of wind on the water, but it's not too bad. Let's see if we can go out there and whack them. Are you ready? I am. Good job. I like it. I like what we're doing here. See the cooperation? Oh, look at these people. Very irresponsible people, everybody. Nah, just kidding. Boats are boats and they break, and that's all there is to it, right, guys? So, all right. I rescued him. It's called MelB.Bassin. MelB.Bassin? Yeah. So. Thank you, Mel. All right, bye. A lot of grebes out here. That's a good sign. So look at how far this goes back. More grebes. Oh my gosh, we just keep going back. We are in 30 feet of water still. Oh, it is beautiful back here. Now, here's a creek coming down in here. Woo! Look at this spot. Okay, why is not everybody here? Maybe there's no fish. I don't know. Let's see what happens here. Water's starting to clear up a little too. I don't know. I'm gonna throw my jig first. Maybe there's a big one down there. To me, I just don't know how there can not be a fish. Right there. Getting better at casting. It's just beautiful. Whoa! Woohoo! Oh, this is a good one. Oh yeah, baby. Dude, he freaking cracked it, dude. Where is he? Whoa, he's pissed off. You're not getting off, buddy. Sorry. You're coming in the boat. No? No? There you go. Got you! Yes! Look at him. Yes. Woo! Finally got one, dude. Let's see how much this guy weighs. Might be a PB. I don't know. When you don't catch a bass in a while, it's like anyone's freaking huge. 338. The elusive 4-pounder. Woo.